Hello, my friends. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Today, page 44 of your book. Today, very easy. No grammar, just some vocabulary from page 44 and the video. Okay, now, raise money. Raise money is to get money from other people for something. Now, this something could be a charity. It's typically a charity. What are charities? Charities are ways for people to give money to people who are poor, people who have specific problems. Raise money. In Portuguese, juntar dinheiro. Okay, notice in the simple present, noticed in the simple past and past participle, and noticing in the present continuous. This is a verb. This verb is a synonym with perceive. Notice, perceive. For example, just because I don't react doesn't mean I didn't notice. Notice, noticed, noticing. Rise in the simple past, rose in the past participle, risen in the present continuous, rising. This is a verb. This is increasing in quantity or going up. Rise in Portuguese is subir. For example, the price of rice is rising. Yes, the price of rice is rising. Very true, my friends. Okay, melt is a verb. Melt in the simple present. Melted in the simple past and past participle. Melting as the present continuous. This is a verb. This is the turning from solid to liquid due to heat, due to hot conditions. For example, this ice cube is melting. Yes, I believe melt in Portuguese is derramar, but I'm not sure. Okay, a flood. A flood is an extreme rise in water levels. This is typically due to weather. Yes, due to rain, due to bad weather. This is a flood. Look at the flood. A storm. A storm is a brief period of intense rain and wind. For example, in this photo, a storm is coming. Look at the storm. The storm is coming, my friends. A storm in Portuguese is a tempestade or a temporal. A storm. I love storms. Very exciting. Find out. In the past, in the simple past, found out. In the past participle, found out. In the present continuous, finding out. This is a verb. It's a synonym with discover. For example, the detective is finding out the problem. Find out. Warm up. In the simple past, warmed up. In the past participle, warmed up. In the present continuous, warming up. This is a verb. This is a synonym with getting hotter. In Portuguese, warm up is esquentar. For example, in this photo, we can see the ocean. Now, oceans are warming up. Yes, oceans are warming up. The temperature of oceans are warming up because of global warming. Yes. But we also have a warm-up. A warm-up can also be an activity of preparation. For example, this is her warm-up. She is stretching. Stretching is her warm-up. It's her activity of preparation. After her warm-up, she will run. A warm-up. A greenhouse. This is a greenhouse. A greenhouse is a place where plants are protected from the cold. This is a greenhouse. I believe in Portuguese, a greenhouse is a estufa. Yes, a greenhouse. The greenhouse effect. This is a scientific theory explaining global warming. Now, again, global warming is the process, the theory, the hypothesis of scientists that the world is getting hotter, that the world is heating up due to human actions, due to industry, cars, etc. The greenhouse effect. Greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases are gases from pollution. For example, this is a factory. And these are greenhouse gases coming from the factory. Greenhouse gases. An ice statue. Well, this is easy. An ice statue is a statue made of ice. This is an ice statue. Ice statues are very beautiful. Record in the simple past, recorded in the past participle, recorded, and in the present continuous, recording. This is a verb which means to write information for saving the information. For example, we can say, he is recording the information. And this simply means he is writing the information. Record can also mean gravar. Yes, record. A culprit. A culprit is a person responsible for a crime or for a bad thing. For example, you can say, humans are the culprits for this polluted beach. Yes, we use a lot of plastic, my friends. I hope one day we will be cleaner. Okay, and finish, complete. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator in a while, crocodile. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Bye-bye, my friends.